One smart guy runs 2 AI history channels and is making thousands of dollars every month. Let me break it down for you. The first channel uploaded 51 videos, gained 411,000 subscribers, and earns between $1,000 to $6,000 monthly. The second one posted just 22 videos, gained 333,000 subscribers, and making $1,000 to $5,000 monthly. Both channels link to the same website, Astra Gallery, where they sell a course for $129, teaching their exact method. But why spend that much when I'm here to teach you the exact same method for free? I'll break down the exact process they use to create their videos step by step, and I'm also sharing an advanced method. This method is simple, and anyone can do it. Every tool I'm using will be 100% free. You can find links to the tools in the description below. So grab a notebook and stick with me until the end. In our previous video, we taught you how to start your own AI news channel, so if you're interested, make sure to check it out. First of all, selecting the right topic is key, and the viral potential of your video depends on how powerful and engaging the title you pick is. One way to boost the chances of going viral is by adding certain combos to your title. What if scenarios, like what if the Roman Empire never fell? Seduction and scandals, shocking cultural practices, unsolved mysteries, debunking myths in history. Make sure to carefully review these instructions. Using these exact tips, you can generate a ton of viral topic ideas. However, you can find a link to over 100 viral topic ideas in the description. Now, after that, copy everything and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the ideas there, give it further clear instructions, like, I'm starting a new history short channel and wanted to collect best title ideas, but I've specific instructions that I want for my topic. Make sure to read it carefully, and then according to my criteria, give me 10 plus title ideas in every category, and hit enter. Within seconds, you'll have a list of amazing viral title ideas. Now select any of them. I'm picking this one because it's full of curiosity and will keep viewers engaged till the very end. Now, most importantly, the first 3 to 5 seconds of any video are crucial. If they're boring, viewers will skip the video. That's where engaging script writing comes into play. For this, we'll head to ChatGPT and start instructing it. Once we have our script done, let's ask ChatGPT to generate the prompts for our visuals. I've taken some screenshots from Stellar Saga's videos to ask ChatGPT for prompts that match a similar style and tone of images. Here's how. Paste your script, upload the reference images, and write your instruction like. Analyze the reference image's style and tone. Then give me the prompt to create the images of my video based on the script. Make sure to keep the tone and style of the prompt similar to the reference. Create the prompt for each line and highlight the main words. Ignore any text on the reference images, and write detailed prompts to generate the best possible similar images. Once done, hit enter, and you'll see ChatGPT start writing the prompts based on our requirements. Now, once we have the scripting and prompts done, it's time to create the images. For image generation, you can use any free or paid tool. In my opinion, Midjourney is the best, but it's paid. Some amazing free options are Ideogram, Leonardo AI, and Free Image Gen AI. I'll use Leonardo AI. Head to the website and sign up directly using Google or Gmail. You'll get 150 daily tokens or points for image generation, with each image costing 14 points. But don't worry, I'll show you how to use it unlimited times for free. First, select the 9:16 reel ratio. Then, from the model preset, choose Cinematic Kino. Next, copy the first prompt from the story we generated with ChatGPT, paste it into Leonardo AI, and hit generate. You'll now see 4 variations. Pick the one you like best. Repeat this process for all the images in your story. If you run out of tokens, here's a trick. Create a new Chrome profile, visit Leonardo AI, and sign up again. Use the link in the description to generate a temporary email, copy it, and use it to sign up. You'll get the OTP in the temp mail's inbox. Enter the OTP, and you're good to go. Using this method, you can sign up unlimited times. Sorry, Leonardo, this is purely for educational purposes and for those who can't afford it. Once all the images are done, it's time to convert them into animations that will make your videos stand out from others. First, head to the website through the link in the description and sign up using Google or Gmail. You'll get 100 points to start with. Exporting one video takes 30 points, and with this account, you can convert up to 3 images into videos. Upload your image, and once the processing is done, you can select the animation style, the amount of motion, but don't set it to maximum, and the animation length. You can set it to a maximum of 10 seconds. Set the edge dilation to 100. Once you're satisfied with the settings, hit export. Next, Next, click on MP4 3D motion, then click Next. Select the plus option, click Next, and finally hit Export to download your video. Once all the credits are used, log out of the account and then go back to the website. Generate a temporary email, select any email, receive the OTP, and you'll have a new account. Repeat the process to convert all your images into animations. Now, we need a suitable voiceover, but of course it should be free. Head to the website through the link in the description, using the same method, or sign up directly through Google. Once you sign up with a new email, you'll get 12,500 characters free for voiceover generation. And just like before, you can use the same trick to access it unlimited times. Click New File, and on the corner, click on Nova. Here, you'll find a lot of voices that you can use free of charge. Select any avatar, paste your script into the text box, and once it's complete, hit Download. Now, you're done with all the assets. It's time to combine everything and create your final video. You can use any software to combine your assets, but I'm using CapCut. Open CapCut on your PC, create a new project, click Import, and insert all your assets. Select the 9:16 ratio and trim extra spaces. Then add your first animated video and adjust its duration according to the voiceover line. Repeat this process to align all the videos with the voiceover. To add transitions between clips, go to the transition section and drag and drop a transition effect between the media. You can do this for all clips if needed. It's time to add captions. Click Text, then Auto Caption, select your language, and hit Generate. After processing, you'll see a variety of caption styles in the Templates section. Pick any style you like. If you notice any spelling mistakes, go to the Captions tab and edit them manually. When everything is done, hit Export, and voila, you have your final video ready.
What if the Roman Empire had never fallen? The Roman Empire was a powerhouse of innovation, roads, aqueducts, and governance. If it had never fallen, these advancements could have spread faster, shaping a unified world under Roman influence. Latin might have become a global language and Roman law the foundation of all governments. However, centralized power could have stifled creativity and resistance. The Renaissance, born from Europe's fragmented states, might never have happened.
That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you in the next video.